Choosing the right tools for your Amazon selling journey is like picking the best compass for a voyage. It's all about finding something reliable, easy to use, and packed with features that make the journey smoother. Today we are going to dive deep into comparing three of the big names in Amazon sales analytics tools: AMZScout, Helium 10, and AMZScout. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for AMZScout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Let's start by understanding why accuracy matters so much. Imagine you are planning to sell a new product on Amazon. You want to know everything about it: how much it sells, who else is selling it, and how much profit you could make. This is where these tools come into play, offering sales estimates based on Amazon's bestseller rank. The bestseller rank is a score that tells you how well a product is selling in its category. Tests showed that while no tool hits the bullseye every time, they are all pretty close, with each having its unique way of estimating that helps avoid big mistakes. Now, why not just rely on Amazon's sales numbers? Well, selling on Amazon is not just about picking the best-selling product, it's about understanding the market. A product might sell well but have too much competition, making it hard for you to get a piece of the pie. Or it could be a seasonal product with sales that plummet after a month. This is why these tools are so valuable. They help you see the bigger picture beyond just the sales numbers. AMZScout, the private label Prodigy. AMZScout caters to sellers looking to carve out their niche with private label products. It offers a tailored set of tools that help sellers identify profitable product opportunities, track their performance, and gain insights into market trends. Its opportunity score feature is standout, providing a quick and easy way to assess a product's potential. This focus on private label selling means AMZScout is finely tuned to the needs of sellers who are looking to create and brand their products. It offers accurate, up-to-date sales data, helping sellers make decisions based on the latest market dynamics. The tool provides daily sales data snapshots, allowing for close monitoring of market trends and performance metrics. AMZScout is renowned for its precision and tailored approach to serving private label sellers on Amazon. Although this focus means its utility might vary for different types of sellers. While the platform does not offer a free trial, which allows users to explore features before committing, it aims to ensure customer satisfaction through detailed product descriptions and customer support. This strategy emphasizes confidence in the value and effectiveness of their service from the start. AMZScout's pricing model is designed with flexibility in mind, offering three distinct plans to suit a variety of seller needs and budgets. The basic plan, priced at $49 per month or $349 annually, is perfect for those just starting their Amazon journey. For businesses in the growth phase, the suite plan at $69 monthly or $589 yearly offers additional advanced features. Meanwhile, the professional plan at $129 monthly or $999 annually is tailored for experienced sellers looking for a comprehensive suite of tools to scale their operations effectively. The tool's interface is packed with a wide array of features that offer extensive insights for Amazon sellers. New users might find it initially challenging to navigate due to the wealth of information provided. However, this comprehensive data ensures that sellers have access to all the details they need, even if it requires a bit of a learning curve to pinpoint specific information. User reviews of AMZScout often praise its opportunity score and the accuracy of its sales data. data, but critique its lack of a free trial and its somewhat narrow focus. For private label sellers committed to making their mark on Amazon, AMZScout offers powerful insights and tools, albeit with a learning curve and an investment in its subscription. Helium 10, the all-in-one powerhouse. Helium 10 aims to be the only tool an Amazon seller ever needs, covering everything from product research to listing optimization and beyond. Its suite of tools is vast, offering something for every aspect of selling on Amazon. This makes it particularly appealing to sellers who are looking for depth and detail in their research and operations. Accuracy is where Helium 10 shines. Its sales estimates are among the best in the business, giving sellers confidence in their product choices. The tool's algorithms are refined, ensuring that the data you get is reliable and actionable. This is crucial for making informed decisions that can significantly impact your business success. However, Helium 10's comprehensive features come at a cost. The starter plan is $39 per month, which might be steep for sellers just testing the waters. The most popular plan, the Platinum plan, is $99 per month or $79 per month if billed annually, placing it at a higher price point compared to its competitors. This can be a significant investment, especially for new sellers or those operating on thin margins. Additionally, Helium 10's interface packed with tools and features can be overwhelming for beginners. There is a learning curve to effectively utilizing everything it offers. Some users have also raised concerns about Helium 10's payment policies, citing issues with subscription cancellations and unexpected charges. User reviews acknowledge Helium 10's accuracy and the breadth of its tool list, but advise caution regarding its pricing and complexity. Customer support, while helpful, sometimes falls short in addressing more complex issues. AMZScout, the beginner's best friend. AMZScout is like a guiding light for those just stepping into the vast world of Amazon selling. It's designed to make the process less daunting, offering a suite of tools that help sellers at every stage, from picking the right product to understanding the market. The beauty of AMZScout lies in its simplicity and affordability, making it a favorite among new sellers. One of the standout features of AMZScout is its comprehensive approach to product research. It helps you find products that are not only popular but also profitable, considering factors like competition and market trends. This tool understands that selling on Amazon is not just about finding a product that sells well, but finding one that can continue to do so with a reasonable amount of competition. AMZScout is praised for its user-friendly interface. Even if you are not tech-savvy, navigating through its features feel intuitive. The platform offers various hints and tips along the way, ensuring you are never lost. This ease of use extends to its pricing structure, which is straightforward and budget-friendly. You can start with a monthly plan at $49 or opt for yearly plans that bring the cost down further. For those committed to the long haul, there is even a lifetime subscription option, making AMZScout a one-time investment in your selling future. However, no tool is without its drawbacks. AMZScout focuses primarily on the early stages on your Amazon journey. While it's great for finding and evaluating products, it lacks advanced features for managing reviews or optimizing ads. Also, the free trial, though generous, has its limits in terms of how many searches you can perform. User reviews often highlight AMZScout's affordability and the value it provides, especially for those just starting out. But some wish for more comprehensive features that could support a seller's growth beyond the initial stages. In conclusion, picking the right tool for selling on Amazon is a big decision. AMZScout is great for beginners because it's easy and not too expensive. Helium 10 has everything you could ever want, but it costs a lot and can be tricky to use. AMZScout is special because it really helps people who want to create their own brand on Amazon. Amazon, giving them the tools they need to find and sell their own products. While each tool has its own good points, Jungle Scout stands out because it's just right for helping you make your own brand shine. So if you are dreaming of building something of your own on Amazon, Jungle Scout is your best buddy. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.